Good morning. We are at the Hummingbird Trailhead. Going to take you on this little trail in Simi Valley. It's about 4 miles. We're going to hit the secret swing and do the little loop and make it back down here. It's going to be a warm day, but it's beautiful. It's nice and clear today, so we'll get some beautiful views. We're going to check it out. No sidekicks today, just lonely old me and you. Let's go see what we see. I'm about 2 miles in, just gotten to the rocky road or rocky peak trail that attaches to Hummingbird that makes it a loop. So we're gonna take this up a little ways and then scoot back on Hummingbird to check out the secret swing. Well, I made it to the swing. You can see the swing is there. And there's another part of the caves up there. And then the view out here. To get down here, it's a little bit tricky. So there are some ropes here that kind of help guide you down from up there. All right, my friends, that's a wrap of Hummingbird Trail. Not a fan, it's hot. Pretty much listen to the freeway the entire hike, and it's steep. It's a steep hike. So, one and done for me. If you want to enjoy this, catch the link in my comments.